the road again. We're just headed out to Sand Hollow to get a van that's stuck down in the weeds, kind of along the Sand Cove campground down there. And we had a heck of a weekend. We got Shelby and Nate married off, and they're on their adventure of life and headed out on their honeymoon to San Diego. So we're having a pretty fun weekend. We went down and goofed around on the four-wheelers and the Nodwell today. Got my brother Bryce with me today.
Hello.
He's excited to be here. We had lots to do and we're pretty worn out, but we're gonna run out here. It's about 9:30 at night and Sunday, get these folks pulled out and get them on their way back to Vegas. So we'll take you along for the ride and see where we end up. I got my brother Bryce with me today. He's gonna run the camera for us, and we had a pretty good time out here today.
Hello, I'm Bryce.
So we don't know where we're going. We're somewhere out here on the beach. We'll see what we end up with.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
I'm up in the Tooele area. And this is my buddy from California.
Lucky to be out of that place.
Hey! Yeah, he's got a point. I agree 100%.
I'm from Brigham.
Oh, nice. See, we're live recording now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this here will be good taking care of my Jeep engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sure. Let's get in the light. Do you need
All
the
right.
light?
Yeah.
There's the light. Here we go.
Yeah, we're live with the case.
Wait. Here we go. Is that enough light?
Sorry.
Too much light. There we go.
One more just big shirt.
We can do that easy enough.
Yeah, it's not too often you can be a Tony celebrity.
Just come out and get stuck. That's all it takes.
This is his day job. You ought to see his night job.
What's that?
We have both parts stuck by one guy.
He's also a performer.
Yeah, we got one of them out.
A
So
performer.
Oh, yeah?
he wasn't
Okay.
stuck near as bad as this
So
one
if
was.
you want to just get in there, put it in reverse. But you don't really need to help me a lot. Just don't crash into me and don't run over the rope. And I'm just going to pull you down in there to where you're free. And then we'll kind of look at that other route going out because it's probably a lot better to get out. So if we have to go spot it, run through there and spot it for you, we'll do that. So just follow me.
That light hurt you guys over there?
No, it's okay.
Help it.
You're already famous. Everybody knows what you guys are up to.
That wasn't too hard. All right, well, that wasn't too big of a deal. He was just in a little minivan stuck down in there and had a couple guys trying to help him out, so kudos to them. And didn't quite have enough go juice. And so they're gonna follow us out here. We're gonna take them out on the route for the smoother country. Is that gal stuck already? She needs to boogie. She needs to just fly. So they're gonna follow us out, get them out of here. Here we go. anyways, that wasn't too big of a deal. Just stuck down in the sand there along the beach, and we do a ton of those every week. Most weekends are pretty full of that, just non-stop pulling people out along the beach. Anytime we're out here, it seems like we get put to work. And so bring a cooler when you get a call to Sand Hollow, because you could end up being there all day. Give you a tug?
I think we better go and pulling forward, right?
I think so.
But the only thing is that I don't have any hooks in the front.
Well, I can get down low with my bridle
Kind of shackles
and
from the arms.
some soft shackles and get down low. I think.
Okay, and it won't hurt nothing, right?
No, it shouldn't hurt anything.
Okay.
And I'll give you a little tug if we got to get too crazy with it. I'll go get I got a tractor rig. We can just pull you right out. Yeah.
Okay.
It'll take me a minute to walk it over here, but
yeah. Yeah, what I like to do after that is the problem was my brother is over there.
Okay.
And I got here when it was dark and I couldn't see anything, you know. So I don't even know how I got here.
Well, the problem is it doesn't get any better going that way.
Right. So can we turn around and once I pass that spot right there, it's all nice.
Yeah.
I can make it there. It's kind of hard, but then this part here.
Yeah,
you know?
just be careful if you're too close to the water. It just turns to soup in a big hurry.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah. I camped there before. And I just missed the turnoff.
Okay.
You know, I went too far.
Well, let me pull up and see what we can do.
Okay.
Well, let's see what we can find in there.
Okay. Yeah, here's the hooks are.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Some of them know. We got to be pretty careful with this. It might bend a little bit, but
Yeah, no, we don't want
think it'll hurt anything.
Oh shit, it'll bend, really? Can we go from that part right there?
Thinking we ought to go
You know, from there, maybe it'd be better, no?
right over right here.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, I think we're better, right? Strong.
Yeah, that's strong.
And I don't think it won't hurt anything right there. Right?
Nope. Not very handy. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, that's pretty strong connection point there. And then
Okay.
we're pulling low there, so we're good on that. This isn't what I wanted to do, but it'll have to work for tonight. My other receiver, I don't know what it did with it. But that's why you always have lots of gear.
You don't have the part for it?
Well, I don't like to use those welded balls, so
I see, yeah.
just give you 2 points of contact on your pole. Yeah, jump in there and just put it in gear, and what I'll do is I'll bump you and if we move a little, then that's the case. Just don't just sit and dig and dig and dig.
Right.
If I stop, you stop, and then I'll just kind of give you a good rolling start.
Okay.
And I'll probably bump you 3 or 4 times, and I'll pull you right over next to that.
Okay, and then we can go this way. And then
Yeah, when we stop, just don't run my rope over.
Yeah, okay. Well, let me get my keys. I left them here. that's pretty stuck there too. The rope.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to get on.
So you got a couple tugs, did you?
Yeah. So
Let's just tie it up so we don't have to worry about it here.
So just go really slow, right when you go, right?
Yeah, just kind of let me a bump. Hey, you make sure you stay out of the way, kid.
Okay.
I'm actually going to back up and get a little more square with you, okay? Straight. If you're doing an offset pull like that, it's dangerous to begin with, but then if you pull straight like that, you're putting all that kinetic energy into that rope, and that's what just pops you right out of the hole. But you just have to get them set up right, because if you pull at an angle, all it does is just take your energy right out of it. So that's why I backed up and kind of jogged around there, but yeah, it worked pretty good. So
wow, that was so amazing. That was quick. Woo.
Link, shine that light underneath that motorhome, make sure nothing's tore up. Alright, well that wasn't too big of a deal. It was a big old motorhome, but it was pretty soft, and we kind of jockeyed around there and got all squared up to the world. And instead of wasting all your kinetic energy doing an offset pull, you want to get directly in line with the vehicle that's stuck, and you put all that kinetic energy into the rope. We want to make sure we're doing these recoveries in the safest way possible and doing those direct inline pulls the best you can. No offset pulls, none of that.